Hey everyone, my name's Karen. I have type 2 diabetes and I finally am going to be trying the Dexcom G7. This is my first time, so I am going to insert it now and figure out my life and take you along with me. So I already watched like all the videos on Dexcom's YouTube channel, like directly from them, not from other randoms. And I also installed the app, which took like 25 years because I got locked out of my account and had to do all this stuff to reset my password. And apparently you put it on the back of your arm actually, which is different than the G6, because the G6 I think you could put it other places, but you were actually just like normally putting it on your stomach. So I've already washed my hands. You saw I just put alcohol like all over, because who knows where exactly on my arm I'm gonna put this. But yeah, I thought that was an interesting change. So the weird thing is during the summer it will be more visible, but I guess it's okay because so many people like who don't have diabetes have been wanting this type of stuff, like the Dexcom or other brands, just to keep track of their blood sugar and to see how food impacts them, because they think that they want to keep their blood sugars stable throughout the day even if they don't have diabetes. But anyway, comes with like this huge little booklet. Oh my gosh, we're struggling today. Okay, there is some sort of a QR code. I don't know if I need that. I probably do. And I believe that, start here. Oh my gosh. There's like 25 years of information. So, yeah, I'm not about that. This is what it looks like when you open it. Let's get ready. I'm gonna switch to my phone because I think I need to use the app to actually open it. But actually, before I do that, I am going to use Skin Prep because my skin tends to be sensitive to adhesive, and this seems to help out a lot. I would also like to apologize for my cat choosing this very moment to use the litter box. She apologizes as well. Okay, I'm ready. It's weird that it's just like, looks a lot different, I guess. Okay, so I'll just put it here maybe? All right, we'll just see. See if this is a good location. I don't really know. Okay, I'm relaxing my muscles. I'm pushing, nothing's happening. Hang on, I think I have to push harder. Oh, maybe I have to do something. Oh, okay, it's in. And actually that was not bad at all. It was way easier than like the other ones. Oh, there's like almost like a suction. Is it actually in there? Okay, good. So then what you have to do, this is a very technical move. You have to like rub the outside of it 3 times, specifically three. This is a very scientific manner. Have I done it 3 times? I think I've only done it twice. It's hard to rub it because there's not very much to rub. And then you have to press on it for 10 seconds. I should use the timer on my phone to measure 10 seconds because maybe actually I just count fast in my head and it's not actually 10 seconds. Okay, that's probably good. Okay, now you can't just leave it like that. So it's really cool that like it's small, and the sensor definitely is small, and it doesn't stick out as far from your body, and it definitely like is small in its surface area, but you have to put this giganto patch around it. So you know, I guess it's not quite so small afterwards. After all, so you are not supposed to touch the white part, which I accidentally already did. Hang on. You're supposed to only touch this green part and then put it around here, which I'm gonna have to look in the mirror to do, not at the camera. Sorry, hang on. then circle around that a few times and make sure it's on pretty good. And then you can take the green off. And hopefully it will stay. Oh my gosh, it's stuck. And then for good measure, I'm gonna go around this again. And then I believe I need to log into the app to actually get it started. But I believe that the warm-up time is only 30 minutes. So that's really cool. The other really cool thing is like, let's say that it's time for me to change this. It will continue working for another 12 hours after it tells you to change it. So you do have more freedom in like changing it. It doesn't just like die on you and there's nothing else. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see how comfortable that is. I almost wonder if it's too close to like the inside of my arm and that next time I need to put it a little bit further towards the center. I think it might brush up against my clothes too much. I don't know. But obviously it's my first time, trial and error, and I have loads of these. So yeah, but let me know if you guys have been doing this, if you have any tips or tricks, or are you going to try it soon? Have you used the G6 before this, or is the G7 your first one? Let me know what you think. What is your life up to? Just tell me about all of your stuff. Anyway, yes, I will talk to you guys later. Bye!